So right now what I'm doing is I'm working on some steering wheel orders. Our production team just sent over some finished steering wheels that I'm gonna go ahead and process to see if they're still good and send them out to the customers. Like that one right there, that's gonna go out to a customer. That one's for a Corvette C8. Part number is VZ102115. That is the LED one. As you can see, it has white leather, white stitching, red carbon fiber inlays, and LED along with carbon fiber trimmings.
And they're fully customizable, right?
Yeah, fully customizable. Basically, I'm just gonna go check over the orders, make sure they're still good, and then send them out to their customers so then they can get them for their cars. Oh, wow. Yeah, Dodge one. Pretty. Ooh, matte carbon, blue Alcantara, blue stitching, and blue carbon fiber. That's actually nice. Dodge 2015 to 2023 LED steering wheel. Let me check to see if it's good. It's for a Dodge Ram 1500.
And what is
Same
this?
thing. Matte carbon, black leather, stitching. No carbon fiber inlay though, because that is preferable, and then the center trim.
It's for the Dodge Ram 1500, right?
Yeah, Dodge Ram 1500. We've been getting a lot of customers that have been going with the full matte.
This is matte carbon.
Matte carbon fiber. LED, black leather, white stitching, no inlays.
For what vehicle?
This is for a Nissan 350Z. So all you people who have 350s, we also have 370 as well. Check out this one. If you guys want to purchase one, go ahead and get it.
Can you flip it around real quick? That looks really nice, the forged carbon.
There's forged carbon, red Alcantara, black stitching, and forged carbon inlay. I think I know what these are. So here's like the center console trims. I think these either go like right here or something like that.
Yeah.
For the controls. So this one's just like the regular Dodge Charger, or basically like the Dodge for 2015 and 2023. So this one's just basically all forged. It's almost like the default look, but basically reverse. It's all forged. Instead of black leather, it's black Alcantara, red stitching, and then forged carbon fiber inlay. And then this one does have like forged trims. Larger one, but it's plain. Just plain, because almost like the default, like I said, it has white stitching. So this is just another one of the Dodge, or yeah, Dodge 2015 to 2023s. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all of them.
You make sure like the specs matches.
Make sure those specs match the order. So when we get the orders from the production team, they give us their order numbers and the specs that the steering wheels have. So what I do is I match it on what's on our order list. So today, just like Friday, today is Monday, we got more steering wheels from the production team that I'm gonna go ahead, open them up, check to see if the specs are good, process them, so then see if the steering wheel order is very good. If not, like the customer canceled it, if it's fraud or anything else. And then after that, see if it's all good, pack them up and ship them out. So we're gonna also show like what kind of ones we got this time, but it is kind of hard to open them. Okay. So it looks like what this one is for, this one's pretty nice. Again, like I did mention Friday, it does seem like a lot of you guys have been actually starting to go more into like the matte carbon. Because I remember before, like there will be hardly ever matte carbon steering wheels. So this one right here is for a Jeep Wrangler. Right here, look at the matte carbon. You get the blue leather, you got the yellow stitching. You can see right there. With the matte carbon center trim. And of course, LED version. So this one's pretty nice. So that one's for the Jeep Wrangler. It was a Jeep Wrangler JL. I don't think I've ever heard of that model before. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start opening up all the rest of the steering wheels. And this one too is another matte one. I just don't know which one this is for. I think this is either between a GTR or I don't think this is a Nissan. It's the order number right here. Let me actually check it. So this one is for, oh, it's for an Infinity. So this one is for, that one at the very front is for an Infinity FX35, FX37, FX50, and QX70. So you guys want to get a closer look at that one. And this one's just basically like matte carbon with the black leather and black stitching. They sent me over 8 steering wheels. This one's like a little combo. Okay, so we got, this one is for a Jeep Sahara. And this one they actually went double, because you know how, this is like the default look that we do offer again. But you know how we do offer on our website, you can either choose between the LED or the red 12 o'clock ring. Looks like this customer actually went with both, which is a pretty cool combination. I always like seeing that, the red 12 o'clock ring, or depending on what color you got, and then it comes with the center trim. So this is for a Jeep Sahara. It's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. So this one, it's like our default LED. This is the default 12 o'clock ring Dodge, like the ones that is on the website when you guys purchase them. I believe it's VZ102181, I believe is the part number for the 12 o'clock ring. But the only difference is that this person went with blue stitching instead of like the regular red stitching, which is a different color scheme, so I like that. Yeah, this is for the Dodges. Let's see which one. Dodge Challenger 2015. Show you guys all the different type of combinations you guys are able to get. Another LED. Alright. Got the carbon trim and everything. So this one right here. Here's this one with the center trim. This is for Ford Mustang. 2019 Ford Mustang. You rate the basic carbon fiber, red leather, red stitching, no inlays, LED, and then also with the carbon fiber edge trims. So this one's pretty nice. All you Mustang lovers out there, you guys want to get your own, head over to vicrez.com and start customizing yours. Okay. Ooh. Here's a combination I thought I'd never see. This one's another Dodge Challenger, again 2015 and up. So they went with the red carbon fiber, LED, and blue leather and blue stitching. Probably got like a little, maybe if they added white stitching, it would have gone like a Spider-Man look. So this one is basically the default Camaro. Again, the only difference is that the inlays are in black because the default style is supposed to be in red carbon fiber inlay, but I'm guessing the customer chose to go with black. So again, this was for a Camaro. Pretty nice looking. Onward to the last steering wheel. This. Oh, the trim as well in the center. And forged trim. Which one is this one for? Oh, okay. So we got a Nissan 350Z. So here we got a 350Z in forged carbon with black Alcantara, white stitching, and forged carbon fiber inlay. Forged carbon fiber inlays, black Alcantara, white stitching. So this one's pretty good. So now that I got all these steering wheels already opened up, and double check them on the specs that they get, check the order, see if they're still good, process them, package them back up, ship them out, and they go home to their rightful owners.